Come, let us spill this already spilled a tea and go to the entertainment world. So it is reported that Zulu Royal demands 100 cows from Siboniso Duma. According to IOL News, Zulu Royal regents have suggested that Siboniso Duma pay 100 cows as an apology to King Misizulu for disrespecting His Majesty during the 110th commemoration of King Dinuzulu's death. Right. So now that is not the story now that I wanted to talk about, right? I wanted to talk about the cows, right? When a cow is 20k each, like one cow is 20k times 100, it means ukuthi Siboniso must give the king close to 2 million as an apology. Guys, what happened to a plain I'm sorry? No, like what happened to Askis I'm sorry and we move? Like 2 million as an apology. Awangeke. Angeke count 10 guys, because a cow is round about like that amount. It would say 10k from above, and 10k it's like that those smaller nyana cows. But now we are talking about a king, so they will need a proper cow. So I'm just estimating which one would be from 20k. So it means Uguti, he owes the king 2 million rand as an apology. Alright guys, let us digest this. Like, share and subscribe.